In this video I'm going to look at the Beeline Velo 2, so if you're looking for a video that's going to show you how to set it up and how to use it, you're in the right place, so stick around. So the setup of this Beeline Velo 2 is as follows. It says in the instructions you need to take a picture of the QR code, and you click on that one and do it straight through the app, because it says pair your Velo 2 with your smartphone as prompted by the Beeline app. Do not pair with your smartphone's Bluetooth setting menu. Okay, so we do that. So we download it, Google Play, install. Okay, so then we open it, obviously, create an account or skip to account setup, so you get limited access, but we're going to create an email. I'm not going to do it with Facebook, I'm going to do it with a new email address. We're going to use the cycling, because you can get the motorcycling one, it's a separate unit, but this is the Velo 2, so we're going to use the cycling. That's my main journey. Yes, I would like to hear from you. Yeah, why not? And okay, so that's that done. So now we can go to record or plan a ride. But first of all, we're going to go straight over to settings, and so you can connect to Strava if you want to, but I don't use Strava. I use the Samsung health app, which I think is better because you get more updates on your earphones. But anyway, that's a different thing altogether. So now we need to connect to the Beeline device. So we click on connect, then we allow Bluetooth to connect. Press allow. And it says on the unit itself 25A3, and now it says set up Velo 2 25A3. So we OK that. And then we need to pair that one. There we go. And now the device says hello. And let's ride. Okay, so that's it connected, and we're all ready to rock and roll. And now we're going to go over to ride, and then we can go plan ride or record. But I think I'll do that in a minute, because I want to set up the camera so you can see what it shows you on. In fact, I will set it up on the bicycle, and I can record it that way. Okay, be there back in a second. Okay, let's go and set a route, and let's go over to how do you get back to where I was? Current location. Yep, current location is over there. Alright, okay. So then we'll go, and then let's go over to there. Up a bit, over there. Okay, so that's, it says 4 meters, 1 kilometer. Right, there we go. Right, what I need to do is actually turn the I didn't turn the machine on. Okay, let's cancel that, but yes. So we're still trying to find out how to use it. Okay, so the unit is on, and let's close that, go back, and then plan a route, do that route again. Okay, let's go to there, press go, it sends it over to the Vivo. So then we go into camera, let's press record so we can see what we're doing. Alright, so let's go, let's get going. Okay, so we're going, so 40 meters, is that 40 meters? Yeah. Probably is, yeah. Oh, keeping up 20 metres away. Got to turn left. Okay. 30 metres, right hand turn. 2010. 0. Yeah, over left over there. It's interesting, it's telling me to go through the bollards because it knows I'm on a bicycle and I can do that. Interesting. Through the bollards. Down the hill. Okay, so we're going over the bridge. That's interesting. So we could have gone that way, but it's took us off the road. I wonder why it's done that. I mean, as a road user, I appreciate that. Getting cyclists off the road. I know it's legal, and I know that you're probably going to tear me down for this, but I don't think cyclists should be on the road. Sorry about that. I've got to go over there. So where is it telling me to cross? It's telling me to cross at the roundabout. It's interesting. But because I'm on the pavement, I cannot do that. Cross over here though. I'm not going to press the button. There's not many traffic around. Here we go. Straight across. Alright, back on track now. Yeah, 20 metres, turn right. Okay, on the curb again. Let's go down here nice and slow so we can avoid that. Meters, 0 meters. Oh, right, okay. So it didn't go have a big beep or anything. I thought it was going to go, congratulations, you have reached your destination. Let's go back a bit. 0. Okay, cool. So now you've got the option to stop or finish. So obviously I'll finish, so I'll press that button at the top and press that one. And right, yes. Okay, so 1.1 kilometres, took me nearly 5 minutes, and was that an average of 13 kilometres an hour? I'm sure when I was going down the hill. Or was that top speed? That must be top speed. Done. Okay, so in summary, this Vivo 2 is a brilliant piece of kit. If you're looking for something that's going to plonk onto your handlebars, you don't even need to worry about it. It's just little tiny. If you're even going off jumps and stuff, it's going to stay on. It's hell of a good for doing that. For the routing is brilliant as well, as you can see on the demonstration below. Just plot it on your phone and then it sends it straight over to the device. It's amazing. So I did a 50-mile bike ride the other day. It's a organised bike ride up in Exeter. I did that and I got the GPX route, so I downloaded it and put it straight onto my device, onto the phone. So I did it with the app. It came up, the map came up on the screen. It was brilliant. So it sent me off on my way, so I knew exactly where to go. There was even a couple of times where there was other cyclists that were using Garmin's, I think, and they were complaining that their sat-nav just completely stopped. It didn't stop working at but two of them did it exactly the same place, and I just went past them saying, "It's over this way, guys." Mine was working fine, absolutely fine. There was another instance where I actually went the wrong way. The sat-nav was telling me to turn round, but I didn't understand it. I wasn't really paying attention properly because I thought I was going the right way. I thought it's wrong. So I carried on going and it ended up being the wrong way. So I turned round and then it rerouted. So that was just my stupidity. If it tells you to turn around, bloody do it. So yeah, the device is brilliant. I do really recommend it, definitely. And usability of it is absolutely amazing. It's really easy to use. You can record and you can download routes onto it, just like I did. And you can plot your own route to wherever you wanted to do, like I showed you before. Look on the map, plot where you want to go, and it tells you how to get there. It's brilliant. Okay, so I would recommend it, and if you haven't got one, go and get one. Okay, I've been Lee's Tech Room. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.